Tata Steel's second integrated steel plant at Kalinganagar, located at Jajpur district in Odisha, marks the dawn of a new era in the global steel industry. Located close to the raw material sources and ports, Tata Steel Kalinganagar boasts of optimal design and cost competitiveness with higher employee productivity. The plant is an architectural marvel with its linear designing, which not only controls the material flow but also brings the operational costs significantly low. Twin wagon tipplers employed at TSK allow unloading at the rate of 3,500 tons per hour, the first such installation for bulk material handling in the country. The coke oven batteries at the coke plant ensure desired quality of hot metal from the blast furnace, higher productivity and lower hot metal cost. Tipped as one of India's largest blast furnaces at 4,330 cubic meters, this is the backbone of steel making at the Kalinganagar steel plant. At the core of our operations, continuous improvement of our process efficiencies is bringing us to the limits of what is possible, making it one of the most carbon dioxide efficient steelworks in the world. The steel melting shop comprises the biggest LD converter in India and a twin strand slab caster. It uses CAS-OB technology in secondary metallurgy. The hot strip mill can make extra strong steels at extra thin as well as extra thick gauges. It is also one of India's widest mills. Our hot rolled steel coils deliver a superior mix of strength and formability for world-class, flat, lighter and high tensile strength steel. Tata Steel ensures a responsible supply chain which supports a circular economy. We strive to be open and transparent with our business partners, meeting our customers' needs with advanced products supplied from roadways, railways and coastal locations, working effectively to reduce total cost of ownership. The company's decision to expand capacity at Tata Steel Kalinganagar reflects its continued focus on increasing market share across various business sectors, both existing and new, while it stays committed towards the inclusive growth of the communities.